Hello, I'm Dr. Tony Swallow, and if you're like me, you absolutely love being in the outdoors. I love hunting, I love fishing, I love being out in nature with my family, just really enjoying being outside and not dealing with the busy day of life. But if you're like me, you can also suffer from TMJ, from headaches, from neck aches, muscle aches, that can really take away from your outdoor experience. So we've created these videos to just show you how those muscle aches can cause problems and then what can you do about it.